Hope you're having a solid week so far. Got a fresh brief for you. Let's see what the tape is doing today. Plenty going on under the surface, even with a lighter macro calendar. Let's check in on crypto, because this is where the pain is concentrated. Bitcoin is trading around 66,000, down nearly 4% on the day. And Ethereum is getting hit harder at 1833, off close to 6%. Solana is right there with it at 73, down about 5.5%. But here's the real story. Fear and greed just printed 11, deep, extreme fear. And that's the third percentile across 8 years of data. We've only been in this zone for 2 days, but the 30-day slide from 40 down to 11 tells you sentiment has unraveled fast. Historically, when we've sat at extreme fear, the median 30-day move higher is 9 points, so contrarians are starting to circle. Bitcoin Cash getting torched 13%, and the broader altboard bleeding 5 to 10% is classic capitulation tape. Watch the 65,000 line on Bitcoin. That's the level shorts will defend. Let's see how stocks closed. The S&P is holding up at 759, up just over 1%, which is a striking divergence from crypto. VIX has collapsed to 15.77, basically complacent. The standout is Marvell, ripping 32% higher to 290 on what looks like a major catalyst in the chip space. Meanwhile, memory and biotech names like Celcuity got hammered down 25%. Equities are clearly trading a different story than digital assets right now. Quick check on the dollar. DXY is sitting at 99.24, soft and range-bound, which normally would be a tailwind for risk assets. But crypto is not getting the memo. Euro-dollar at 1.16, and the yen pushing toward 160 against the dollar, which has Japan officials issuing verbal warnings ahead of a key BOJ speech. That 160 line is the intervention zone. On the headlines, the US just proposed broad tariffs of 10 to 12.5% on goods from 60 economies tied to forced labor concerns. And that's the macro overhang weighing on global risk. SpaceX is reportedly pricing its IPO at $135, targeting a $75 billion raise, which is feeding the equity euphoria. And the Blockchain Association is pushing the Senate hard on the Clarity Act, though crypto markets are ignoring the regulatory tailwind for now. Looking ahead, today is quiet with just factory orders at 14 UTC. The real event is Friday's employment situation at 12:30 UTC, the May payrolls print. That's the one that resets the rate path narrative. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal, the liquidation map and funding rate widgets, and an AI sparring partner watching the tape right alongside you. Happy trading!